Bellwork 4.3b, question number 3. When you look at question number 3, you've got the large parentheses, so I got to do everything inside those large parentheses. Well, I see the division bar, so I know I'm going to divide. But remember, you can't divide until there are no parentheses in the numerator or the denominator. So I need to get rid of those parentheses in the numerator. And if you see, it's got that exponent on the outside, so that means I need to do power of a product on the top. So I'm going to start by taking -2, which I got right there, to the third power. -2 to the third power. -2 to the third is -8. And now I multiply my exponents. 3 times 3 would give me a to the 9th. Two times 3 would give me b to the 6th. And then 4 times 3 would give me d to the 12th. Now the bottom, there was nothing to do with the bottom, so I just bring everything down. So it's going to be 12, a to the 4th, c to the 4th, d to the 9th, and e to the 1st. And all of that is in parentheses. Make these a little bit shorter. And everything is to the second power. Okay. Next step, I need to divide. The next step I need to do is divide. I'm going to start with my -8 over 12. And I get -2/3. Cross out the -8, -2. Cross out the 12, and put the 3 on the bottom. A to the 4th is the smaller exponent. Cross out the 9. You're going to need to subtract that and figure out what the new exponent for the a is. There's no b on the bottom. There's no c on the top. D to the 9th has the smaller exponent. Cross out the 12. Again, you're going to need to figure out what that exponent is. And then there's e to the 1st on the bottom. After you divide, you always rewrite. So on top, I've got -2, a, and you have to figure out what that exponent is for the a, b to the 6th, d, and again, you needed to figure out what the exponent is for the d. On the bottom, I have 3, c to the 4th, e to the 1st. And all of that is to the second power. Now that we've done everything we can on the inside, now we can take care of this exponent on the outside. So we need to do power of a fraction. I'm going to fix the top here just a little bit. There we go. Just so I can see that it was a -2. So we're going to take -2 to the second power. On the bottom, you'll take 3 to the second power. Negative 2 squared is 4. And now you're going to finish by multiplying these exponents yourself. On the bottom, actually, wait, I will go ahead and write A, B, and D. You have to figure out what that exponent, and that exponent is. On the bottom, 3 squared is 9. And now you're multiplying these exponents. And that would be your final answer. So you need to finish number 3 on your own. If you have any questions, let me know.